Permittivity. So what is permittivity? We basically discuss about electric permittivity. When you say permittivity means it is electrical permittivity. We know that there are charges inside the material. If you take a material, whether it is a conductor or insulator, there is charge inside it. In between the charges there is a medium. The electromagnetic force depends on the medium between the charges. So the penetrating property of the electromagnetic force on the medium between two charges is called the permittivity of the medium, and it is denoted by the symbol epsilon. The permittivity is a physical quantity or a measurable quantity that describes how an electric field affects a medium and how an electric field is affected by a medium. How permittivity is determined? Permittivity is determined by the ability of a material to polarize in response of an electric field. That is how a material get polarized when electric field is applied, and the ability of the polarization of the material gives us the permittivity of the medium. And due to the polarization of the material, the electric field cancels each other. How the electric field cancels each other, let us see. In the figure, suppose this is the conductor. This is the conductor. To this conductor we give an external field E0. That means the conductor is placed in an external field E0. When external field is applied, charges will be induced inside the conductor. You see, there will be induction of charge inside the conductor. Here you have negative charge and here you have positive charge, because inside the conductor there is free charge. Charge are mobile. So when electric field is applied, the charges are induced inside the conductor. So due to this induction of the charges, an electric field, let us say E in for the electric field inside. So an electric field E in will be produced due to this induced charge. So in static situation, the two fields cancel each other. That means the applied field is equal to the induced field, and the net field inside the conductor is equal to 0. But there are certain materials which are called dielectrics, or basically insulators, to which when you apply the external electric field E0, the resultant electric field will not be equal to 0, because in this case there is no free charge, there is bound charge. So the electric field produced inside the material is small in comparison to the electric field given. That is, field inside E in is less than the external field E0. That is why the net field inside the material, that is basically the dielectric, is not equal to 0. In case of conductor, we say this charge as a free charge, and in case of the dielectric, we say this charge are polarized charge, sigma p, and here we basically say sigma free. So permittivity is determined by the ability of a material to polarize. Okay, permittivity is determined by the ability of this material to polarize in response to an electric field. How much polarization occurs inside the material when electric field is applied, and thereby it cancels partially the electric field inside the material. So how much electric field will be cancelled inside the material depends upon the property of the material, and this property is called the dielectric constant of the material. So permittivity of a material means it is the dielectric property of the material. That is why we measure the permittivity of a material in terms of dielectric constant. And dielectric constant of a material is basically denoted by the symbol K. And we write mathematically the dielectric constant K is equal to epsilon divided by epsilon 0. Remember, that is the ratio of permittivity of a material to the permittivity of vacuum. Epsilon is the permittivity of the material and epsilon 0 is the permittivity of vacuum. Since the permittivity of vacuum is constant, we can measure the permittivity of the material by measuring its dielectric constant. And sometimes this dielectric constant K is also called the relative permittivity. We say this dielectric constant K as a relative permittivity, and which is the ratio between the permittivity of the medium to the permittivity of free space. Since the permittivity of free space is a constant quantity, when you measure the dielectric constant of a medium, we can know the permittivity of the medium. There are various experiments to determine the dielectric constant or the relative permittivity of different materials. For example, in laboratory we find out the dielectric constant of the capacitor or the relative permittivity of the capacitors.